Winson education system. Today I'm going to discuss about the courses that we are offering in electronics engineering. In electronics engineering, we have got multiple type of courses which are basically based to design and curve and equip the engineers and the electronic technicians with the latest technologies, and they will be able to go and work in the market with a better opportunity and serve better the market requirements. Basically, how we have divided the course. The course has got four different modules. In the first module, we are going to discuss about the components and the components levels and their sizes and dimensions. The old era was basically the resistors with color coding and all these, with legs coming out of it. But now the things has changed. We have to follow the world. We have to see the international world, and we have to comply with them. So now SMTs are coming in. When SMTs have got different code numbers and different sizes available, so you first of all we will do that. We will train the people. We will get them acquainted with the different sizes of electronic components and making small circuits. Now another thing which has changed recently in the recent years is simulation, design of simulation. So we have got LTM Summer, we have got Proteus. We are going to use these softwares to design a circuit diagram and run it and test it on the computers, that just on the screen, that how it's going to work. Once it is ready, then they have to design it on a PCB. When the PCB is designed, Winson Education has got Winson Edu unique. Our campus has got CNC PCB making machine, which is basically going to make the PCB for the student. He has to just use this and to design a complete PCB circuit board. Then we have got in our uni pick and place machine, where he can learn how to put a pick and place machine and mount the components with the help of machine, which will enhance the productivity to 1000% than what we do by hands. So then there is another level where he will be learning that how to use the paste instead of soldering wires to solder the components on that, and then using infrared curing system and also heat exchanger, where it will be treated with the heat to solder all the components in one go in 1 minute. So these are the things which are basically the most modern elements which are not present currently in any university. There is no university in Pakistan so far which has got a pick and place machine where electronics engineers can experience that how to use a pick and place machine and complete the production cycle of electronic device. So these are the courses we have divided into four different modules. First module is going to be introduction to electronics and the components and the modern era components, and then chip sizes in SMT, and also in different other capacitors and how they looks like and how to use them, what are the sizes and how they are measured, and what distances needs to be in place between them, how to design a multi-layer PCB using a PCB designing software. And then the next level we will be teaching them how to design a circuit diagram, how to do the simulation, and once they have simulation, the simulation must be tested, and then they have to produce a circuit board based on that simulated software, and then after this they have to fully assemble using a pick and place machine. The third module will be pick and place machine, using it, completing it, testing it, making a testing jig, how to test a component, how to test a device in a production line. So we are basically preparing our students with full market awareness of a production line of electronics, not the repair only. Repair is one thing, but which is basically a separate discussion. But right now we are preparing our electronic students to go in the market and learn how a fully automated plant works in an industry and produce different kind of component, different kind of devices like routers, like PCB boards, like motherboards of computers, and all these things. And they will be able to repair it, and they are going to make IoT based devices by them. Fourth and final will be a IoT based product that they have to design as a final year project, as a final project after the completion of IoT based complete design, including the casing, which is basically going to be get help with the mechanical engineers that we are having in our own faculty. So they will be making a complete 0-meter ready product which can go in the market straight away, IoT based, and that is going to be the final year. Once they have completed the 4 modules, we will be issuing them the mastering in computer in software in component designing course with electronics. So this is the target of electronics department in our emerging sciences department. Thank you.